I've previously opened an NMR sample file from the KnowItAll installation folder called C14H10ClNO3H1. For this file, I would like to apply the Fourier transform. I'm going to click on the related icon to launch the Fourier transform dialog. On the dialog, there are 4 algorithms available to you. I prefer to use the default Fourier transform method. You get a preview of the action on the bottom of your screen. If you're happy with the changes, click Replace to accept. And the spectrum is Fourier transformed. Now I will undo the Fourier transform and show how you can apply a window function prior to your transformation. Go to Process, under which you will see different processing settings. I'm going to click Window Functions to launch the Window Functions dialog. On this dialog, you have a series of different algorithms to apply as a window function. In this section where it says Fourier Transform Preview, it allows you to select the Fourier Transform algorithm that you will apply after applying the window function. If you prefer to only apply the window function without a Fourier transform, use the radio button to select none. I will leave mine as the default. In this case, I'm going to apply the exponential window function using a line broadening value of 0.4. And I will also apply the default Fourier transform. I'm able to use the preview button to get a preview of what this would look like. If I'm happy with the changes, I click Replace to accept. And that is how you apply a window function to your spectrum prior to applying a Fourier transformation.